Human immunodeficiency virus is the causative agent of AIDS. HIV stands for human immunodeficiency virus. Remember, what this virus does, it attacks your immune system and actually makes the immune system, defense system of your body very weak, and causes a syndrome that is AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. What is going to happen when any foreign object or foreign bacteria or any other pathogen which is an infectious agent is going to attack in your body, is going to enter in your body, there is a special defense mechanism naturally present in the body which is going to fight with that foreign objects, foreign materials, and these are the white blood cells of your body. So what is going to happen? These white blood cells are going to attack the bacteria or the foreign bodies that have entered into your body, and this is how they are going to protect your body from those harmful foreign objects, that is bacteria or some microorganisms. And there are special cells, that is helper T cells in your immune system. These helper T cells work in two ways. They actually are going to secrete something due to which the white blood cells are going to collect at the point of infection, and they are going to destroy those pathogenic organisms which are going to cause infections. Secondly, they also help in the formation of more lymphocytes, in the activation of more lymphocytes, so they can help in releasing certain enzymes which are going to make more lymphocytes in your body. When there will be more lymphocytes in your body, they are going to help. How? They will release some antibodies, and these antibodies are going to circulate in whole of your body, and they are going to find these targets, these foreign objects, and they will actually make possible for these white blood cells or the lymphocytes to kill those harmful pathogenic objects, that is these microorganisms which are pathogenic, disease causing organisms. Now when these HIV virus is going to enter into the bloodstream, they are going to attack the helper T cells. When they enter the helper T cells of your body, what they are going to do is they are going to multiply inside the helper T cells of the body. When they multiply, they are going to damage the helper T cells of the body. When your helper T cells of the body are damaged, slowly and slowly your immune system that is going to be quite weak, and even more weaker and weaker day by day. So when this infection is actually going to proliferate, when they increase in number, they are going to kill the helper T cells of your body. Thus, the immunity is lowered. Your defense mechanism of the body becomes quite weak in this case. So finally, they are going to reduce the number of these lymphocytes also. And what happens, result of this HIV infection, many other infections also grow. They are going to infect your body, and these infections are known as opportunistic infections. So when HIV infection is there and some other opportunistic infection, means these are actually causing this AIDS. You will see the symptoms of AIDS in this case, that is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. For example, this inflammation of the tissues of the brain, that is known as meningitis. This is one of the symptom of this. Secondly, inflammation of the whole brain, that is encephalitis is there, and this respiratory problems, that is pneumonia and tuberculosis, is also going to be one of the symptoms. These are opportunistic infections. Chronic diarrhea is also an opportunistic infection which is a result of AIDS, okay, HIV infection. Then Kaposi sarcoma, I have already told you, it's a type of cancer of blood vessel valves, and you can see these spots on the body. Then how can get HIV? How can this be there in your body? HIV can be there in your body through the unprotected sex or unsafe sex, and shared drug injection needles, or childbirth, or during breastfeeding, and also by contaminated blood and blood products. So this is blood to blood infection actually. So this HIV virus can be actually controlled by some special type of drugs, that is antiretroviral drugs. They are going to decrease the number of this HIV, that is antiretroviral drugs. How they actually decrease the number of this HIV virus? They have some special methodology due to which these virus will not be able to enter the helper T cells. Except for this, they also have reverse transcriptase inhibitors, we have protease inhibitors and integrase inhibitors. So what are they going to do? They are going to decrease the number of HIV, they will not activate HIV virus in your body. Sometimes doctors suggest highly active antiretroviral therapy. That is a combination of the therapies we have discussed earlier. So we have a cure, but not a perfect cure for it. We can decrease the number of HIV virus, but we can not eliminate the number of HIV virus that is there in your body, human immunodeficiency virus. So the white blood cells are going to work in favor of you. Regular blood tests are being done so that the doctor comes to know if the heart therapy is working in your case or not. If the helper T cells are restored in your body, if their number is quite high, your immune system is strong, it means that heart therapy is actually working in favor of it. Okay, so remember that this heart therapy is going to help you to decrease the number of HIV, that is human immunodeficiency virus, or it can actually inactivate HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, remember. So this AIDS is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, in which your immune system becomes weak day by day. Thus, due to that lowered immunity, you have certain opportunistic infections which are result of this lowered immunity. Remember, tuberculosis, pneumonia, Kaposi sarcoma are a few of them.